Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change currency on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Revolut and then log into your account. So let me log into mine. So I'm just going to log in. All right, so so I've logged into my account. So once I've logged into your account, so now what you're going to do, you're going to choose the currency from which you want to change it from. So for example here, if you click on this arrow here on your currency, you can choose the currency which you want to choose from. For example, I'll just choose Australian dollars, and then from Australian I'm going to change it to, so if you want to change it to another currency, hit on the exchange option here. So when you hit on the exchange option here, I'll select the amount that you wish to change. For example, I'll put $10. All right, and then here under exchange here, click on the arrow. So here choose the amount that choose the currency that you wish to change it to. So for example, go to click on this one and then choose any amount here which you wish to change. All right, for example, Indian rupees. All right, so change it. Okay, once you change it, so that's the exchange rate and the amount you get. And also you got to make sure that you have balance in order to change this. So you need to have funds in your account in order to change it. So right, so just make sure that, because mine, I don't have funds, so that's why it's changing, it's showing this error, so that's fine. All right, so once you have done with this, then what you're going to do next is just hit on review order and then click on review, and then have a look through all the details. And then once you have confirmed everything, just hit on exchange, and then that will change the currency for you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.